Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. My name is Rajni and today we are diving into a topic that I know a lot of you have been asking about. How to learn English without studying. That's right, no textbooks, no grammar drills, just fun and natural ways to pick up the language. If you have been struggling with traditional methods and want to make your learning more enjoyable, then this video is for you. Let's start with something we all love, immersive media consumption. Now, I know many of you are already watching English movies, TV shows, YouTube videos, but are you doing it in a way that really helps you learn? So, how to do that? Start with the content you are genuinely interested in. Whether it is a thrilling action movie, a gripping drama series, or a fun cooking show, choose something that keeps you engaged. This way, you will not be passively watching it, you will be actively absorbing the language. Begin with subtitles in your native language to understand the context. As you get more comfortable, switch to English subtitles and eventually try watching without any subtitles at all. This method helps you learn vocabulary, understand sentence structure, and pick up on how native English speakers actually use the language in real life. Remember, learning through media isn't just about understanding the words, it is about feeling the language, getting a sense of its rhythm, its tone, and the way it flows in conversation. Coming to tip number 2, listening to music and podcast. Let's talk about something that is a bit more portable, music and podcast. I know a lot of you are busy and it can be tough to find time to sit down and study. That's why integrating English into your daily routine through music and podcast is such a game changer. Start with music. Find songs that you love and listen to them on repeat. Look up the lyrics and sing along. You might not realize, but you are learning pronunciation, expanding your vocabulary, and getting a feel for the natural rhythm of English. Plus, music has a way of sticking in our mind. So, those new words and phrases will stay with you longer. Podcasts are another fantastic resource. There are podcasts on every topic imaginable, from self-improvement to technology to storytelling. Choose ones that match your interests so that learning doesn't feel like a chore. Listen to them during your commute, or while you are working out, or even while cooking. Over time, you will find that your understanding of English improves without you having to put in any extra efforts. Coming to tip number 3, engage in conversation with people. Now, I want to address something that many of you have shared with me, fear of speaking English. This is totally normal, but the best way to overcome this fear is by using English in real life conversation. You don't need to wait until you are fluent to start speaking. In fact, speaking is one of the best ways to become fluent. Find a language exchange partner or join an online community where you can practice speaking English with other people. You can also use apps like Ace Fluency where you can connect with people who are learning English just like you. These conversations will help you gain confidence, learn new vocabulary, and get comfortable with the language in a way that no textbook can teach you. Don't be afraid of making mistakes because everyone makes mistakes. The best part is that you are communicating, you are learning, and you are improving with each conversation. Coming to tip number 4, mimicking and shadowing. Have you ever noticed how kids learn to speak? They mimic the adults around them. You can also do the same with English. This technique is called mimicking and shadowing. Find a clip of native English speaker, maybe a scene from a movie, a speech, or a YouTube video. Play a sentence or two, pause the video, and try to repeat exactly what they said. Match their tone, their pace, and their pronunciation as closely as you can. This practice helps you train your mouth and ears to produce the sound in English more naturally. It's a great way to work on your accent and pronunciation. The more you practice, the more you will notice improvement in how you speak. Finally, I want to talk about something that is often overlooked: surrounding yourself with English. The more you integrate English into your daily life, the faster you will learn. It doesn't mean that you need to spend hours studying every day. Instead, make small changes to keep English present in your life. Change the language setting on your phone and social media accounts in English. Follow the English speaking influencers and content creators. Try to think in English even if it is just for a few minutes a day. The idea is to create an environment where English is all around you. So you are constantly exposed to the language without even realizing it. This kind of passive learning is incredibly powerful because it keeps your brain engaged with English throughout the day. Over time, you will find that you are picking up new words and phrases, improving your comprehension and getting more comfortable with the language overall. So these are some of the best ways to learn English without ever feeling like you are studying. Whether you are watching your favorite shows, listening to music, or chatting with your friends, the key is to make learning enjoyable and consistent. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my new video lessons. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye.